relatively early start this morning. I was pedalling by 8, that's early for me. And you joined me having 11s up on the hills. I apologise for the wind noise. My mic is completely dead. It sheared in two and it is in a bin back down in town outside the shop where I resupplied this morning. I have to try and make up some miles today because I'm a little bit behind where I should be. So I'm hoping for some slightly less grueling ascents and some long winding descents. We shall see. I'm heading in that direction. Come with me. I'm not going to lie, dear viewers, I'm struggling here. I've done just over 30 kilometres in just under 4 hours. It's not good. It's very, very hard work. I just stopped in a pub for some chips. And I was so hungry and I was so tired, I forgot to film my lunch. What kind of YouTuberian am I? Oh man, I've got to make some miles this afternoon, otherwise I'm never going to do this one in time. But I am tired. I got nothing. Quit your whinging. Let's go. Burning over there on the other side of that hill. That's brush fire. Smoke looks a bit white to be a car or something. Catastrophe. Well, the riding didn't get any easier, but it's hard to overstate the value of something fried and salty when you're at the end of your energy. I got something of a second wind once the chips kicked in after lunch, and I'm pretty much caught up with where I had hoped to be at the end of day 3. But it is hard going. I mean, you get these long descents, and they're pretty cool. They're rocky and they're quite techy, but they're fun. But all the time, in front of you, you've got the other face of the valley with this white scar running up it. And you just know that it's going to be another unfeasibly steep gully full of loose rocks and gravel. It's hard. If I'm honest, it's harder than I expected this ride to be. I knew there was going to be climbing and I knew there was going to be rough terrain, but I didn't really bank on it being this rough this much of the time. I've never pushed my bike this much on a ride before, I don't think. And I'm having to cut back on the filming, I don't know if you've noticed, just because filming takes quite a lot of time. And I'm starting to think, I kind of wish I'd tacked an extra day or two onto the end of this one, just so I could take it in something more akin to my usual leisurely approach to riding. But there is an end game in place, and the end game can't be changed, so there's nothing to be done for it. I'll tell you more about that end game closer to the time, but for now I'll just tease you with the promise of a mystery guest who will be joining us for the last waltz. But for me, for now, I'm done. Another day, another tumble down dry stone wall. I'm going to sit here, take in the last of the evening sun, and then once it starts to get a bit gloomier, I'll pitch my tent, and I'm probably going to try and get an early night and an early start. Keep up the semi-good feeling I've got in the legs this afternoon. Who knows? Who knows where tomorrow will see us? Anyway, it's been fun, it's been a pleasure. Yeah, as always. See you good folk on the morrow.